bathroom renovation companies or any renovation company. In a second, I'm going to show you a sales bot that we have designed to manage your inbound inquiries for your leads that have typically come through somewhere like Meta. So this demo that I've set up today is exactly that. It's designed for when we run ads for clients, we want to have something there that can take those conversations and inquiries and respond to them in real time immediately as soon as they come in. And the reason for that is speed to lead wins. And we know you're almost 21 times more likely for that conversation, if it happens immediately, to take that client to the next stage of the sales process as if you were to wait an extra 5 hours. So it's very important that you do this. So the context for this is, like I say, this is the person that has initiated this conversation has clicked on a Facebook or an Instagram ad. And the first question that I'm going to ask them is, hey, thanks for showing an interest in our ad. Are you looking at renovating your bathroom? And so I'm just going to respond to that now and say, yep. Yes, I am. Thank you. Great. What are you trying to achieve with the bathroom upgrade? Our old bathroom looks terrible and all the fixtures are starting to fail. Sounds like you're ready for a fresh start. Before we dive any deeper, may I have your first name so I know what to call you? My name is Matt. Cheers, Matt. You share a contact number? Sure. 0400 blah 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 blah. Oh, that didn't work. Why not? 0400 Thanks for that. How about an email address? matt@gmail.com. Brilliant. Thanks, Matt. So, by the way, this has been designed. This can be customized. This whole conversation. I've just set this up as a demonstration to see what the potential is. Okay. Brilliant, Matt. What suburb is the property you're inquiring about located in? Just need to make sure we're in our service area. So this is currently set up. The example is a Sydney-based bathroom renovation company. So I'm just going to say Randwick, which for those that don't know is a suburb in Sydney. Perfect. Randwick's in our sweet spot. Do you have a style in mind for your bathroom renovation? Yeah. Actually, we like Hampton style. We like the Hampton. Lovely choice. Hampton style bathrooms are all the rage. How about your budget for the project? Do you have a figure in mind? So you can, if you have like a, well, let's ask her this. Say, oh, not really sure. What is a typical reno costing these days? Of course, you can prompt this however you want. Let's see what it says. Okay, so I've actually added some case studies into this so that it's going to say, well, cost can vary based on the size and specifics, blah, blah, blah. But here's some benchmarks. Louise and Ray had their bathroom rental property renovated $27. Kerry and Ian and Mossman had theirs renovated on their laundry for $80. Setting a rough budget helps us tailor renovation to what's financially viable. Do any of these figures align with what you were thinking, or do you have another number in mind? Yeah, I guess I was thinking it would be around 30K. Yep, right on. 30K sounds like a starting point for what you're after, especially aiming for the Hampton style. Next up, could you share a bit more about the reasons you want to get your bathroom updated? You mentioned the old one looks a bit terrible and the textures are failing. Anything else driving this change? Yeah, how about we want to... I'm really trying to trip it up here. We want to get a wall removed. We want to get a wall removed to open the bathroom up. Is that a big deal? There you go. Removing a wall to open up a bathroom can transform it. It's a popular request and very much doable. Though it involves a bit more work, especially ensuring everything is structurally sound, we handle these sorts of structural changes often, so we can definitely assist you with this. We can absolutely come up with a package to suit your style and budget, including this alteration. Do you want to book a call for an inspection? See how we can bring your vision to life. Here's my calendar link for booking time. So just keep in mind as well, when we deploy this for clients, we can set it up in a way where it'll say, are you available at any of these times? And it will actually do the booking right there. And then they haven't got to do it themselves. It'll actually say, okay, cool. You are booked in for 3 p.m. for a phone call with Max to Thursday afternoon. It'll be a 30-minute phone call or video call or whatever you want to do. So you can kind of customize that journey. What else did I want to ask you? That's pretty much... Anyway, you get the idea. That's pretty good. So you can kind of tweak this as much as you want. I'm going to do another video in a separate, shortly where I'm going to be talking about how you can also deploy a bot which will reach out to anyone that you've sent a quote to, but they have not accepted. So stay tuned for that one. I'm Matt from Tradie Web Guys. We'll chat soon. Oh, by the way, if you like what you see here, head across to tradiehub.net and get started over there. We look forward to chatting to you. Ciao.